Hello there, and welcome to my channel, Sam Schools, the Physics Edition. And today we're going to be talking about something known as sig figs, or otherwise known as significant figures. And sig figs are a method that scientists use to make sure that they are rounding in a precise way and everybody knows it. And there's a technique that I would like to use for sig figs known as the Pacific Atlantic Rule. And the Pacific Atlantic Rule makes it very easy for anybody to do sig figs. Pacific standing for if there is a decimal present, and Atlantic standing for if there is an absent decimal. Here, an example would be 3.00. There are 3 sig figs because we start on the Pacific Ocean side and count from there. Another example is 0.003. Here we start from the Pacific side till we reach a whole number, which is 3, so we have 1 sig fig present. Next example is 30009. Here we start from the Atlantic side, and there are 5 sig figs because we count every single number including the zeros. Another example is 3000. Here we start on the Atlantic side, and there's only one number till we reach 3. So the next problem of sig figs is operations with different sig figs, such as addition and subtractions. In an addition and subtraction sig fig problem, we will 4 different basic operations. For sig figs with addition and subtraction, we will be looking at their least amount of decimal places possible. Here in this example, as you can see, each number has up to 3 decimal places back to the thousandths place. So all of our decimals present will have to have 3 decimals behind the number. Another example of this is 39.1 plus 11.19. Here, we're going to do the addition as normally as we would just like, and we would get 50.29, but we have to round to the decimal places present. So we are going to have to round to the 10th place for our answer to be final. So that answer would be 50.3 as our final answer. Next operation we're going to be looking at is multiplication and division. And the rules in multiplication and division are a little bit harder than the ones for subtraction and addition, but they're both fairly easy. For multiplication and division, we're going to have to go to the least number of sig figs present that we are multiplying. Here, if we do 5.00 divided by 2, we will get 2.5. But 5.00 has 3 sig fig presents, and 2 only has 1 sig fig present. So we would have to round the number up to 3 due to there only being 1 number sig fig for the number 2. Another example of this is 8.00 divided by 4.00. And 8.00 has 3 sig figs, and 4.00 has 3 sig figs. So if we do the math, we will end up with 2.00. And this is exactly the way you are going to have to write the number on the paper for your sig figs to match up. that is all for today. I would like to thank you all for your support, and don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the little bell icon for notifications, and let me know what you would like me to do next time in the comments down below. Bye, and see you next time.